is Jeremy, and I'm back to share with you some tips on how to properly maintain your hearing aid during the circuit breaker period. So today, we will be talking about the regular maintenance of a custom hearing aid. So a CIC hearing aid looks like this. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to inspect the filter and the vent on the hearing aid. So this is the filter and this is the vent. If you see that there's some earwax stuck on it, you may use the opposite end of your brush that contains the metal tip and use it to take out the wax. If you see that the wax is lodged deep inside the vent, you may use the vent cleaner to take it out. So this is the vent cleaner. What we need to do is insert it inside the vent, just like this. And then also clean the opposite side of the vent. Next, if you see that the filter is already too dirty, then it's time to change it. So take your set of filters, get the insertion and removal tool. So this tool has two ends to it. You may use this end to take out the existing filter from the hearing aid, like so. And then, with the other end, use it to get a new filter from the filter set. And then carefully insert it back to the hearing aid. After taking out the wax or changing the filter, we will now need to clean the outer shell of the hearing aid. So with the cleaning spray, get a piece of tissue, spray the solution on the tissue once or twice, and then use it to wipe down the hearing aid. So remember not to use the cleaning spray directly on the hearing aid. Lastly, let's take a look at how to store your hearing aids every night. So with the drying cup and capsule, open the battery door of the hearing aid, place them inside the drying cup, and ensure that the lid is closed tightly. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and follow our Facebook page for more of such videos. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you, so please comment down below. The Listening Lab is still open to serve your essential hearing needs during the circuit breaker period. Until next time!